friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk on, I can say, little controversial topic, and I don't think so these types of video exist on YouTube channel. Maybe there are some, but I don't know, and it is very important for us to do these types of videos, and I don't know right now, like I don't know how you will going to react, but like for us it is important. And let's begin with the video. A year back I have posted one video on my channel about overnight hair growth on my series Does It Really Happen, and in that I have mentioned, like I have talked about whether you can grow your hair overnight like 1 to 6 inches or not. And some people commented, have you ever tried any method, and if not, try before making the video. So today I am going to try one of the method. There are so many videos on YouTube about overnight hair growth, and they all have such a great viewers. So today I am going to try one of the method, and actually I have watched some of the videos before shooting this video so that I can try best method, and most of them kinda have same ingredients, like they are using the same ingredients. Before we get into the video, if you happen to be new here, welcome. My name is Ginny. I put 2 videos every week. On Thursday you get hair related video, and on Sunday you get a vlog. And I would love you to consider by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to get notified with my future videos. And if you end up liking this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also follow me on my Instagram because I am planning one giveaway there. Also there is one giveaway going on my channel here in YouTube, so just go and participate. I will put the link of the giveaway in the description box below. Alright, so in this video I am going to try one method where she is claiming that you can grow your hair overnight with proof. So, and also I am not going to reveal her name or her channel or the video because that's not good, you know. So there she is saying you have to use only 3 ingredients. So the first one is aloe vera. So I bought fresh leaf of aloe vera and I scraped the aloe vera from that, and then I blend that gel in a mixer so that I can get a smooth paste. And the second thing is you need coconut oil, and third thing is you need olive oil, and that's it. So, okay, so I am ready with my mixture, like with my mask, and right now it is 11 PM, so it's good time to apply hair mask. And I have long hair, so also I don't have measuring tape, but then too we can do it very well because I have this short hair at the front of my face. So I am going to grab some of those, and now I am standing straight, and right now now I am standing straight. Yeah, and it is coming till here. So it is coming till here, and tomorrow after washing my hair I am going to wear the same t-shirt so that we can check. So it is coming till here. Okay, this is the mid one. Okay, let me check it again. Yep. Okay, I definitely remember that, and it is coming till here, and now I am going to apply the hair mask. So this you have to apply all over your scalp, including your hair length, and then you have to wrap your hair, and then you have to go to the sleep. Let's begin.
I thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, meant more than a letter to each other. Go wipe out what's on my mind. It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can take it.
I am going to leave this on my hair, and I am going to sleep now, which is very difficult for me sleeping with this, but I have to do. So now I will see you tomorrow. Alright, so now it's the next day and right now it's probably 8 a.m. and now I am finally going to wash my hair. It is very tough to sleep with all these things. It is everywhere. I don't know whether camera is capturing or not, but it is not at all pleasant and it is yuck. I don't know, but now I am going to wash my hair finally, so I will see you after air drying and everything. So yeah. Alright, so here I am after washing and drying my hair, but still my hair is 20% wet and it will take whole day to air dry. So now it's time to reveal the truth, but before that let me quickly change my top to the previous one. So yeah. Okay, now I am going to grab the same strand and yeah, this, and now I am going to be straight. Yeah. I think it is the same, like the exact same, not an inch increased. Let me just check again. Yep, as I told you, it was coming over here and right now still it's over here. So not at all increased after all that hard work. So please do not believe on these types of videos that you can grow your hair overnight. It is impossible unless you are taking some pill or something. I don't know, but it is impossible to grow your hair overnight. It's like, please, I have tried it and after all that hard work, and it is very hard to sleep on those like masks with, oh my god, it is like, it's not a good experience for me. And so please do not ever try this. Do not leave any of the mask overnight. I will suggest that. If you don't like this video, please don't get mad at me, because it is very important for me to try that overnight method, because you know, these types of video all over the place, people are claiming that it is possible and blah blah blah, but please do not believe. And अगर आपको लगता है कि और कई methods हैं और मुझे वो try करना चाहिए, just comment down below, I will do it. So yeah, that's it. Before doing this video, like, I was very nervous, because literally right now also I am nervous. I don't know how you are going to react, but it is important for us to do. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please hit the like button. And please, I need that like button in this video actually, because right now I am nervous. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and please turn on the bell icon to get notified with my future videos. And in future I am coming with so many good ideas, and like, I am planning something. So please keep watching my videos. Till then, bye, and keep growing your hair, and please don't do that type of methods on your hair.
I've been loving every